Good morning all, and in this topic we are going to discuss about the classification of nanomaterials. Nanomaterials are classified into clusters, nanotubes, fibers and nanorods, films and coats, as well as polycrystals. Where you can see clusters are zero dimensional, nanotubes, fibers or nanorods they are the one dimensionals, films and coats are two dimensionals, whereas polycrystal tabs are three dimensionals. So, what is nanoscience? Nanoscience is the study of understanding properties of nanoparticles, whereas nanotechnology can be defined as the design, characterization, production, and application of structures, devices, and system by controlling shape and size of the nanometer scale. Now, first of all, why properties of nanomaterials are different? First thing, there is increased in relative surface area, quantum confinement. These two factors are most responsible factors to enhance the properties such as reactivity, strength and electrical characteristics of the nanomaterial. Now we'll see, as the particle size decreases, a greater proportion of atoms are found at the surface compared to those inside. Greater surface area per given volume compared with larger particle make these materials more chemically reactive. As well, in nanocrystal, the electronic energy levels are not continuous as in the bulk, but are discrete because of the confinement of the electronic wave function to the physical dimensions of the particles. This phenomena is called quantum confinement, and therefore nanocrystal are also referred as quantum dot. So now we'll see some of the properties that enhanced in nanostructured material. First of all, the physical properties. The crystal structure of nanoparticle is same as bulk structure with different lattice parameter. The interatomic spacing between the size the interatomic size or spacing decreases with size, and this is due to long range electrostatic force and the short range core repulsion. The melting point of nanoparticle decreases with size. Now we'll see the chemical properties. The electronic structure of nanoparticles is dependent on its size, and the ability of nanocluster to react depends on cluster size. The large surface area to volume ratio, the variation in geometry and the electronic structure of nanoparticles have a strong effect on catalytic properties. Now we'll see the magnetic properties. The magnetic moment of nanoparticle is found to be very less when compared with its bulk size. Nanoparticles made of semiconducting materials, germanium, silicon and cadmium are not semiconductors. So this is all with the nanoparticles and the properties of nanoparticles. Thank you. With this I stop here.